kinds of things going on. I'm ribbon cutting my shiitake mushrooms. How do you ribbon cut? Now, I was thinking, what flavor are we going for? And tonight we're going to do some butter. So we want to melt down the butter. Alright, that looks good. Alright, we're going to melt this down. You can coat the mushrooms with the butter. And then next. Alright, we got a lot of mushrooms. They're going to be absorbing that butter, so we're just going to throw the rest in. This is like French cooking. Lots of fat. Alright, quick pause for the cause. The smell is amazing. Alright. It says that's 3 pounds of shiitake. I don't buy it. But if I told you how much I paid for it, $1.54, doesn't really matter. They're like leftovers. Alright, I'm going to let this drain for a minute. Pause. Alright, I let it drain long enough. We want to get a little bit more out of that, so we're going to hot sauce it up. And advertising. Alright, we killed that bottle of hot sauce. Give it a quick shake. Look how messy my hands are. Looks good. Give it a second. It's still leaking. Actually, I gave it like 10 seconds. All right. I was in the Asian market. I was talking to the owner, the manager, whatever it is. I forgot to ask them which was the best Hoisin sauce. They didn't carry that brand. All right, we're going to walk this up real fast. What a condiment that is. Got some crunch going in, some leftover jalapenos. Now, we're going to cut up some dollar store pork loin teriyaki. Alright, pause for the cause. Alright. I sharpened the knife. Watch how it goes through it like it's butter. All I'm doing is using my thumb as a support for the meat. My fingers as a guide. This is the leanest cut of pork I've ever had. This was a 10-pound pork loin that I cleaned up, dried up. Look at that. Amazing. Alright, now I gotta walk that up. Quick pause for the cause. Alright, we got some of our onions. Dried, caramelized. That looks good. Just a little salt and something extra. Alright, we're going to mix that up. You know, the pork's almost done. The meal, we're almost done stir frying. You can hear my fridge running and something sizzling in the background. It's time to add our greens. I'm gonna wilt those down. Good enough. Should have bought another one of these. If I did buy another container of the greens, right now I'd be putting the lid on and letting it sit for a little while. But we don't have that much, so I have a half a container. I used some of it last night. What I ate last night was amazing. Oh yeah, this is 3 days. Oops, Houston, we got a problem. I used a razor blade to open something. I accidentally cut my finger, and I was bleeding profusely. I'm going to use some blue tape to get rid of it. Alright. We wilted that down. Look how beautiful that looks. Come on. A couple people I told tonight what I was doing tonight. They were like, oh, you got to be kidding me. Alright, see that juice that's in the bottom? We're going to use a little bit of mono cheese. We're going to bring it to that next level. Alright, that's half of what I had. I already have shiitake mushrooms. We're just going to bring those shiitake mushrooms to the next level. A little shiitake and wasabi. I put too many ingredients, that's the problem. And as we stir fry, live from New York. You notice those juices are disappearing. All right, we're done walking, so guess what? Time to roll. Let's roll some fatties. Actually, you know something? There is so much flavor in this. Wow. That is what they would call succulent. It's like melting in my mouth. All right. I think that was easy. I try to teach you people cooking, like, it's not that hard. You just got to spend a little time. I think I've been here for a half hour making that. Bunch of leftovers. ShopRite didn't want the leftover shiitake mushrooms. I took them for $1.54. 3 pounds of them. Look at that. That is amazing. Love you.